Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Alright, so it's good Monday. And we're here to do some work on the house. And basically, I thought I'd run you through what the plan is. So we got our survey from the lawyers. So we're going to try and find our survey pegs. But you can see all of the rose bushes here go all the way back to the side of the house. So we're going to start getting those cut down, just so that we have more area to kind of play with. And then if we have time, we'll get to these guys here, because they'll have to go as well. They're diseased and like rotten. And yeah, other than that, once we find our survey pegs, we're hopefully going to be able to put some rope around the area, just so that we have a better idea of where that line kind of goes. We managed to get the shed kind of torn apart more last weekend. And then the other priority, because I'll show you. So yeah, we gotta get all this cut out here because it's a lot, and with them right up against the house, that's not good. And then we have to change the doorknob on the door because right now it's broken and isn't actually technically a door. So yeah, Stacy's on her way to come help us, and so is Megan's mom. And it's actually shaping up to be a pretty nice day in the harbor. Windy, but nice, pretty. Yeah, hopefully we can make some progress today. See how it goes. We have a ceiling now.
Oh my god, I'm going to murder.
And that green box there.
Fucking eating my sock.
Is a hole down to the living room. And so is that. And yeah, the bed is now out of this room. The floor is starting to come up. The ceiling tiles make it look like a shit show. It's great. Alright, so I figured I would give an update. So Stacey managed to get a lot of this done. We hauled out a couple of the old mattresses and the box springs, which are now sitting over here, because getting them out the front door was the easiest way. But yeah, we can actually walk all the way around to the front of the house now without having to worry about it. A lot of these were dead, apparently, while she was cutting them, so that's good. And we actually had a couple of our neighbors pop by, and they were saying that there's apparently 6 root cellars up on the hills back here, and so that's super exciting, which might also explain the hole that I fell in earlier, which is over on that corner of the property. It might be where the root cellar was there. This is an old well, so we do have that. But you can see the rest of the pile here. So you can see now we have a clear path to the front door, which is awesome. And that means that now we can kind of haul lumber in and out of the door as we need to. And then we'll get that moved eventually at some point. There used to be a bay window here, but the last owner took it out. So there is plans that we will potentially put that back in the future, maybe. And we were also told today that there used to be a wraparound deck. So that might happen as well once we kind of figure that out. And yeah, other than that, you can see our lovely shed area has kind of gotten bigger. And we did manage to put in a new lock on the door. So that's all good. And these doors are actually only 75 from top to bottom. So finding a door is going to be harder, which means that we might make one. And yeah, we've got some, it looks worse now than it did. And we've made a bunch of progress here. So this is all done.